Here we are at the final stage of this double shed home. We're just making sure everything is airtight, watertight, moss tight, so we could start putting so we can put all the client's stuff in. Make sure it doesn't get wet. So here is the other shed. What's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, all you social medias out there. How you guys doing today? Saul Lujan, Mr. Alchemist, Mr. Raise Your Frequency Of, Mr. No Real Estate Mr. Left Behind, Mr. Esoteric Investor. How you guys doing today? As you could tell, we already finished building 2 sheds, removing, adding, demo. That's done. So, you're interested in getting some sheds built, give us a call, 915-247-8784. Good morning, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, all you social medias out there. How you guys doing today on this beautiful Tuesday morning? Here we are about to demolish 2 sheds. Right now, as you could tell, we're already moving out the material. As we say, we like to give the customer a full customer service. So as soon as they hire us, we come, help them out, take off, remove everything, So that's one of the beautiful service that we do. You don't have to do anything else after you hire us. Just give us a call, 915-247-8784. Again, that's 915-247-8784. And also, we're also doing wood sheds. I forgot to say that. We're also doing wood sheds, full functional wood sheds. They have drywall, they have plumbing, they have electrical, they have an actual bath and bathroom. So we're doing, it's kind of like a tiny house me theme. So if you guys are interested in any of that stuff, give us a call, 915-247-8784. Let the experts do it for you.